This is our home page with a brief introduction of our whole system. Here, you'll see a brief introduction to the system, along with 3 main sections. Step 1 will let you choose one specific dimension. You can click the plus button to learn more about each dimension. Once you've made your choice, we'll move on to the next step. In step 2, you'll choose 2 usable objects from the scene. You are supposed to choose by clicking on the objects separately and click on the next button to continue. You'll be guided to explore the relationships of objects in step 3. 1. You will continue to finish section 2 and section 3 in this page. You'll start by naming your objects correctly and then think about the actions you want to perform. We'll also provide a worked example to show you the correct format for your prompt. Once you've written your prompt, simply click the Submit Prompt button to move on. Now we're in section 3, Prompt Validation. Here, your submitted prompt will appear in a box, and you'll observe what actually happens in the system based on your input. You'll type in these observed changes, and the system will analyze your results. If your prompt is successful, you'll have the option to choose a new dimension or create a more advanced prompt. If it's not quite there yet, don't worry. The system will guide you through decomposing or rewriting it. In all the steps that contain a button called Analyze, 3 layers of hints will be provided to you. As long as you need a more detailed hint, you can always interact with the hint box to see it. Navigation is designed to be easy and intuitive. You'll find Back and Next buttons in Section 1, and in Section 2 and 3, there's a navigation bar at the top to help you move between steps. If you ever want to start over, there's a restart option, and the system will double-check to make sure you really want to reset. That's an overview of our tutoring system.
In this part, I will just introduce you how the multi-layer hints are generated in our tutoring system and how those hints can help the users to create their final prompt. So for example, I just have the action I want to perform here, which says like, okay, I want to put the melon upon the mouse. And then I'm not sure what kind of the prompt I should write down here, so I will just copy and paste. And I want to analyze that. So okay, we can see the hints right now. So the first hint is ensure you use the correct term for the position you want to place the melon. Instead of upon, consider using above for clarity. This part is taught in step 3, so I should just use above instead of upon. And next one, make sure to specify the action clearly. Instead of just saying put, use move to indicate the action you want to perform. So okay, I think that I need to delete this part and use move. And finally, combine the suggestions to form a complete prompt. For example, you could say like move melon above mouse to clearly convey your intention. And I think right now the prompt is perfect, so we can just submit the prompt and copy this, see the actual outcome from our system. So here you can see like the green one is the melon and the brown one is the mouse. So we will just say like move the melon above the mouse, see what's happening here. Alright, so that works. Thank you for watching.